Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So as you can see, it is by this brand right here, and they are floss threaders. Works with any floss, easy to use, promotes healthier teeth and gums. They're great for bridges, implants, braces, or crowns. I do have a bridge and I do have braces and crowns, so this is a win-win for me. So as you can see, when you open it up, this is what it's going to look like. It has multiple little cases, which this is a really good deal. I'm actually going to give one of these to one of my friends, or maybe even two, because she has braces too, and I like helping my friends out. And I'm going to show you how to use this. So these are pretty much like threads. Let me go get my floss real quick. So this is what you're going to use at a time. Okay, so you get your little thread thing. You're going to get your floss. Wrap it like that. And then you're going to use this to get in between your teeth so that you can get over here. I need to see this, so I have to look over here. So as I can't see. And like right here, like most of my teeth have gaps, which is why I have braces on. Like right here. So you'll go like that. And then you can go ahead and just pull it out like that. So you'll pretty much go through each tooth. I'm going to show you on a bridge now because I do have a bridge. So that's how you would do it with braces on. But I do have this bridge over here. So it's a ridge. You're going to go underneath the ridge. So just like that. I got slobber everywhere. Just what I wanted. So that's how you would do that. And I don't always use these. Most of the time I use a water flosser, but sometimes you get stuff that it just can't get out. And that's when I usually opt for trying this out. Like my foundation everywhere. So they're super easy to use. Great if you have braces, bridges, or what else did it say? The crowns and stuff. Like I do have some crowns like right here and stuff, and I would use this on stuff like that, but you can also use it on just regular teeth. It just makes it easier because with braces on, like I can't just floss because they block it. So in order to really floss my braces, I have to have one of these. And then after you're done, you just throw it in the trash and then you're good to go. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.